What if I told you that you could get consistent real estate clients using just a simple copy and paste ad on Facebook Marketplace of all places? So no paid ads, no buying leads, no complicated systems, just results. This is literally the exact playbook that I've been using to get clients. It's the same one that hundreds of other agents that I've helped have used to achieve incredible results, some of them even better than mine, even if they were starting from scratch. So not here to sell you anything. There's no course. There's no high ticket coaching offer at the end of this video, just pure value. And all that I ask is that you like this video, share it with a friend, and then comment below that you did that. And when you do, I'll send you a private link, the whole swipe file, free step-by-step course, the exact copy and paste ads, scripts, and a live tutorial to help you implement this playbook and start seeing results today. So if you're tired of spinning your wheels, trying every marketing trick under the sun, and you're still not getting the clients that you deserve, this is the simple free strategy that just works. So let's dive straight into the tutorial. And I want to let you know at the outset that I'm going to show you two different ways to do this, and both ways can work, but one is far more time efficient and will get better results, but it'll cost you to invest in the software, whereas the other way is completely free, but it's going to take a little more time and the results won't be quite as good. Okay, so step one, and we're going to break this into 4 simple steps, but step one is you need to borrow a listing. Now, the good news here is that you don't have to have any active listings of your own in order to get started with this. So I normally recommend that you borrow a listing. Some of you guys are going to ask in the comments, can I use a listing of my own? And while you can, if you don't already have at least 6 active listings, because you're going to need 6 active listings to get started on this strategy. If you don't have 6 active listings of your own, then you're going to have to borrow them anyway, so you might as well get used to it. So before I shot this video, I've already obtained written permission to advertise a property located at 367 Conifer Drive. And so I'm going to show you how to do that in just a moment. But if you don't know where to start when borrowing listings, we have another playbook called the Loaner Playbook, where we walk you through the whole process. And by the way, comment below if you'd like us to do a video specifically on how to borrow listings, because maybe that's something we could put together to help you out in the future. But in most states, you're going to need written permission to advertise other agents' listings. So I always recommend that everybody check with the local regs in their own area. But remember, you can borrow listings from your broker, team leader, teammates, friends, and competitors. And I typically recommend that you do it in that order. So once you have a listing that you have written permission to advertise, your next step is step 2, which is to write a high converting ad. And this is where I'm going to show you the 2 different methods. So method number 1 is to just let software write the perfect ad for you. And then method number 2 is to fill out my copy and paste template manually if you don't have the software. So let me show you method number 1 first. It's really freaking cool. And this is if you have a Pro Tools account. So this is my company's flagship product. It's a complete marketing engine for realtors. You can check out pricing at pipelineprotools.com, but I'm really not here to sell you that right now. But let me show you how easy it is to import the listing and write an ad with Pro Tools. So I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to walk you through it. So if you have Pro Tools, you're going to log into your account, you're going to navigate to the listings page, and then you're going to click create. And what we're going to do is we're literally just going to type in the address of the property that we have permission to advertise, which is 367 Conifer Drive. And once you've auto-completed using Google, you're just going to click auto import. And we're going to speed this up on YouTube, but it literally only takes like 10 to 15 seconds. Pro Tools is super smart. It's going to go out, scour the internet, find all the details about this particular listing, import all the photos, the bedrooms, the bathrooms, the square footage, a description of the property, and then as soon as it grabs it all, it's going to bring it back to Pro Tools, and it's going to show you on this page. So it says we're almost ready, uploading the images. Here we go. So the last thing we're going to do is if it's a borrowed listing, then we want to put listing courtesy of, and I'm going to type in the listing agent's name, and then we're going to click save, and we're ready to go. So that listing, that new listing is going to appear here on the listings page, and now we're ready to write an ad. So you're going to go to the ads page in Pro Tools. We're going to click create a new ad. We're going to type 367 Conifer Drive, and then we're just going to click review the ad copy. So we're going to select Facebook Marketplace. Remember, this ad creator is really powerful, so it can create up-circulating ads, Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, and we're always adding new types of ads that you can do. But we're going to do Marketplace for the purposes of this video. And then it's going to use AI to write a high-converting Marketplace ad that's going to convert leads. And we're just going to check all the details, make sure that it's good, and then we're going to click Generate the Ad. And when you do, you're done. So now you can copy the ad text and download the photos, and you're ready to copy and paste this directly over to Marketplace. Okay? Now, if you don't have Pro Tools, then you'll want to access my copy and paste ad template. And all you have to do to get the whole swipe file, remember, is click the like button on this video, share it with a friend, and then comment below that you did that, and I'll send you a private link to all the resources for free. Okay? But one of the resources you're going to need is my Facebook Marketplace ad template. And this looks really simple, but there's a lot of thought and a lot of testing and fine tuning that's gone into this, okay? So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna fill out the sections that are highlighted in yellow. So we're gonna insert the bedrooms and bathrooms, we're gonna insert the MLS remarks, no more than 150 words. So the easiest way to do this is just copy and paste the first 150 words, or like the first 3 sentences or so. And then you're also gonna insert your single property website URL. I'm gonna address this in just a few minutes. If you have Pro Tools, this is already taken care of for you. If you don't have Pro Tools, there's a free version. There's a poor man's way to do this, and I'll show you how to do that in just a minute. But you're going to insert your single property website URL, and then you're going to do that here too. And now you literally have an ad that you're ready to copy and paste over to Marketplace. And that's step 3, post your ad to Facebook Marketplace. So once you have your ad ready to copy and paste, whether you did it manually or you use Pro Tools, you'll log into your Facebook account and navigate to the Marketplace section. So just go over to Facebook, click on Marketplace, and then you're going to click Create a New Listing. And that's going to take you to this page where you can select Home for Sale or Rent. And it's going to take you to a place where you can add photos, describe the property, and then we're just going to go through together and we're going to post this and get it ready to start generating leads. Okay, so I've got the photos saved right here. Nope, wrong one. Got the photo saved right here. And so I'm going to walk you through my photo selection process, because this is actually really important to getting good leads from Facebook Marketplace. So first of all, you need to select what we call the lead photo, or the first photo in the lineup, because this is the one that's going to attract interest in your Marketplace ad and get you more click-throughs. And so typically speaking, it's the last photo in the entire lineup. So I've got 40 photos here that we could import, and it's the one that you would least likely expect to be your money shot, or the shot that's going to increase interest in a particular listing. So it's actually going to be this one. And so the reason why, and you can apply this to your own ads, is we're going to post a picture that doesn't show the property itself. Instead, it shows the backyard. In this case, it actually shows that it has lake access, so that's good, it's intriguing, but it doesn't show the property. And when the user can't see the property itself, they're going to want to click on your ad and take the next step so that they can see other photos. So typically what we're going to do from here is that we're going to grab one photo of the kitchen, and then we're going to show one photo of the front of the house. And so we'll use that aerial shot, and then we'll just show this picture of the garage. So now we've got 4 photos. That's what we typically recommend, and we're just going to drag them over, and we're going to put them in the lineup for the Facebook Marketplace ad. And again, the lead photo, most of you guys are probably thinking, man, I would never use that photo, Chris, but this is the one that's going to get a lot of click-throughs. Okay, so then we're going to say that the home is for sale. It's a single family residential house. It's 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms. The price, never list the price. This is super important. You're going to find this in the swipe file and the playbook and all that stuff, but never list the price. And the way to not list the price, because Facebook does require that you put something in, is just list $1. That's kind of like the universal understanding that we're not listing the price. So we're just going to say that this is 367 Conifer Drive. Oops, can't spell. That's how you guys know this is unrehearsed. And we're going to copy this. One click, copy and paste. Boom. It's done. And now we're going to click next. Okay? Do not share in any of these groups. We can't figure out why, but when you share in any of these yard sale groups and other groups that Facebook is suggesting, what's going to happen is you're going to end up getting spammed, or you're going to get put in Facebook jail. So we've done this lots of times. It doesn't really increase the number of leads that you can generate. And the problem is this going to lead to you ending up in Facebook jail. So don't even mess with that. And then you just click publish, and you're ready to go. Now, typically, I'm going to start generating leads within just a couple of hours of publishing the ad. Okay, so that marketplace ad is listed. We are not going to boost it right now, although we'll do another video to talk about how to boost a marketplace ad that's really effective. Now we're going to talk about lead capture. So if you don't already have Pro Tools and you don't have unlimited single property websites that you get through Pro Tools, okay, you're going to follow all those prompts. You're going to post the ad, and then when people get to the bottom of the ad, you're going to send the people to a lead capture page to get all the information that they're looking for. Okay, so they're going to want full pictures. They're going to want the address. They're going to want the price, of course. And if you have Pro Tools, then this is already taken care of for you. So if you want to do this the free way, you can build a free Google Forms page and send people to the Zillow listing after they fill it out. And that'll work actually surprisingly well. However, I want to warn you, you don't want to use your CRM platform. So most of you guys, if you work for one of the major brokerages, included in your brokerage fees is like CRM platforms such as KV Core, KW Command, Brivity, Follow Up Boss, Real Geeks, etc. And those are all great CRM products, but they don't have professional marketing tools. And on average, they capture under 1% of all visitors that hit the landing page. And so it's going to be really, really tough to get traction using one of those platforms. So let me save you some time and trouble. Let's skip all that. The best choice is Pro Tools. The second best choice is free Google Forms page. All right. And that brings us to step number 4, the Facebook Messenger hack. So now that the ad is live, and I told you we're going to probably get our first lead in the next couple of hours, but you are going to get a few leads. All right. But most responses are going to come in the way of Facebook messages. Remember, Facebook has made it really easy for people to one-click reply to the ad. And so your inbox is going to get flooded with people saying, hey, is this available? Hey, what's the price? Etc. So to convert these responses into leads, always copy and paste an automatic reply that sends them to your single property website. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in just a minute, okay? But remember, you don't want to use an automated bot or a messenger bot to do this reply for you. So we've tested that. We've tested it for you so you don't have to. And what happens is you end up in Facebook jail. Okay, so what we recommend is it only takes like 2 to 3 minutes every single morning to clear your inbox from all the responses that you got overnight or yesterday from this particular ad. And so we recommend just do it manually, but you can have a copy and paste message, and it should go something like this. You've got the auto reply on all Facebook messages. This is what you're going to copy and paste, but we also share this inside your Pro Tools account. So hi there. Thanks for your message. Yes, it's for sale. I post these properties across many platforms. So to ensure accuracy on pricing availability and to search all properties in the area for free, please visit my website at, and then I insert the link to my single property webpage where we can capture the lead. Okay, so that's the Facebook Messenger hack, but it's literally going to 5x the number of leads that you get from. So an ad that might be doing really well and generate you 5 new leads, right? That's 5 leads you didn't have before. It could be generating you 25 leads if you're using the Facebook Messenger hack, okay? And then step 5 is rinse and repeat 6 times, all right? So as with most things, getting good results from Facebook Marketplace is all about consistency. And so what we found is that any one property that you advertise on Facebook Marketplace may be a great ad or it may be a terrible ad. You may get 100 leads from it or you may get 0 leads from it. And so if you want to guarantee results from Facebook Marketplace, we always recommend that you start with a minimum of 6 properties. So whether you're borrowing properties, you're using your own properties, you're going to want to go get permission to advertise 6 different properties, and then you're going to want to rinse and repeat the process that I just showed you 6 times and post 6 different ads on Facebook Marketplace. I always recommend, this is just a quick tip, I always recommend 3 ads today, 3 ads tomorrow, just to make sure that Facebook doesn't think you're some kind of automated bot. I mean, as fast as we've made it for you to post ads on Facebook Marketplace, it may look like you're a machine that's, bump, posting all of these ads. And so I recommend 3 ads today, make it easy on yourself, do 3 more ads tomorrow, and then just rinse and repeat and refresh the ads whenever they allow you to. So Facebook Marketplace typically allows you to refresh every 7 days, and you can keep them going for as long as the property is still legally for sale. So even after it's gone under contract, I'll keep advertising as long as it's legally for sale. And that's it, okay? So that's a wrap on today's video where I showed you how to get buyer leads using a simple copy and paste Facebook Marketplace ads. I hope you found it super helpful and feel ready to take action. If you want the complete swipe file with all the tools, resources, and templates that you need to get started, here's what to do. Like this video, share it with a friend who could use it, and drop a comment below saying that you did. And once you do, I'll personally send you a private link to the full resource bundle. And don't forget, if you want more videos like this to help you get consistent real estate clients in the future, make sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications. You don't want to miss what's coming next. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
We've doubled our business 3 times since 2019. If you want the full breakdown, exact scripts, step-by-step processes, and a brand new unreleased tool, drop a comment below.
No gimmicks, no paywalls. We're sending it completely free because we know it works.
Just type send it in the comments. We'll get it over to you ASAP.
And if this was helpful, stick with us. We're dropping more strategies every single week. Just hit subscribe so you don't miss what's next.